Taking a look at the liner, we can see that it's incomplete and still needs one of the side plates to finish the design. We're in an assembly and all of the sheet metal parts are connected using the tab and slot feature. Let's use copy with mates to copy the long side to the other side of the liner. We'll repeat this first mate and use the front and right assembly planes to finish mating this part in place. When zooming in, we can see that there are tabs from the copy part but no slots on the adjacent sheet metal parts. Now in 2024, we can right click the copy part and select the new propagate slots option. We can choose which slots to propagate or simply choose all instances. Now when zooming in, we can see that the slots have been propagated to the adjacent parts. This is a huge time saver since we can now reuse the tab and slot feature in assemblies.